We're back, people.
What up?
It's Saturday. Currently, I've just realised we're going to be driving back from Kent.
Yeah, so you best make sure you schedule it up.
Yeah, so if it does come up, we're driving back from round one of the British Five Nations Rallycross event after seeing epicness. And hopefully I've not completely fucked up writing it up for Downforce or doing our blog for it, which will be coming up at some point, probably in the very far future, because I've got to edit. It's cool, man. It's cool. But we're here with another car show, chilled out chat. Never quite know what to call this one. That's why I've taken off the motorsport and car chat thingy titles.
Yeah, it's probably
Chill out, innit?
It is, yeah.
On Saturday. So what are we saying? What have you seen this week, Mr. Andrew?
So
Fun.
I've seen some pictures. So first ones are just going back to Monaco. Over the years,
man.
how the hairpin has changed. It used to have hay bales right outside.
Hay bales, quality safety. Call them cars do look cool, don't they?
This is pretty much what it looks like now. Obviously, quite a few years ago, with the massive fuck-off engines behind them.
So cool.
I think that's probably not much later either. Then you go to a bit later. It pretty much hasn't changed from like this sort of time onwards. That's a pretty good picture. That's like last year,
buildings.
or year before. So yeah, just interesting to see how it's changed, really.
One thing it costs for like a room in one. I'm assuming that's like a hotel or
something daft.
Somewhere.
What I did hear somewhere or read somewhere is that they actually resurface the road like half of the track pretty much every year.
Oh, right.
So, like every other year, they've pretty much got a brand new track.
Wow.
Very interesting. I also saw this. So, a brand new Lancia.
Yeah, man.
Brand new. Because it's just a resto mod. But it's 500 brake. It looks very nice.
It looks sick is what it looks like. It's like a weird cross up between like the sort of like the originally kind of looking car and almost like the back end was a bit like almost like Testarossa from the back.
Yeah, I mean it looks smart. 480,000 euros. There's only 37, so they've probably already all been sold. But you know,
and be worth about double that.
Yeah, it looks nice though. I mean, they look nice anyway. But yeah, that follows on from quite a few other cars announcing they're doing it. So you can get Escort's pretty much brand new.
Yeah, man.
So yeah, it's another one in the line of Restomod cars.
Yes. Well,
which we'll never be sad about.
No, we won't be. You're very true there, Mr. Andrew. Carrying on the Resto theme is how we're going to run the rest all of today's, I was going to say show. That's been a little bit strong and positive towards it. What's the YouTube chat? The all-electric Opel Manta GSE Resto mod. It's a one-off. Now, what are you saying?
I mean, apart from colour. Yeah.
I wish they hadn't changed the front grille and the wheels.
You know, just
fucking horrible.
Yeah, the wheels and the grille.
I could probably do the grille without those wheels.
Yeah, it's just everything about electric cars. They're like, oh, let's put some funky wheels on it.
When you've gone and resto mod it, you've basically taken what is a very good looking car, upgraded it, cool, You know, it'll have new suspension and brakes and everything. Wicked. You want to keep that feel that it has because, quite frankly, we rarely get cars nowadays that feel the same as we do when we look back. I'm sure back in the day, everybody probably thought it was ugly. And then you go do some whatever the fuck that is. So it's oh yeah, I don't know what they're doing there. They've really fucked it up. You just remove that from your mind. Imagine it sat a bit lower, smaller wheels. Yeah, man. Even the inside's
Inside,
nice. That's
inside looks
fucking
good.
spot on. That
Yeah.
they've done well to kind of incorporate, digital dashes, but still keep that sort of feel.
Hmm.
I don't want fucking got a horn. That's nice, but yeah, I quite. That's fucking horrific.
I mean, they don't look that bad, the wheels. But why is there a
What's
picture of her testing air pressure? Why is that needed?
she actually doing? I mean, I thought she was just on a phone or something.
It
Oh,
looks
I've
like
done.
she's testing air
Oh,
pressure,
I've
but
done something.
she's also driving it as well. Oh, not driving it, just sign
Just sign
passing
it looking cool.
driver's
No, she's
seat.
on a phone. It's a fucking iPhone.
Why would she be sat that close to the wheel with a phone? It looks like it's bent at the top. That's why we're going for air pressure.
That's fucking stupid.
She's taking a picture of the tyre.
I know. I zoomed in like mad then. There we go. So yeah, it's not got a lot of power, but it's cool. I think it's a one-off though, which is a shame. However, it's brought us on to this one that I saw today. I haven't actually gone through it because I thought I would properly leave it for now for me and the Mr. Andrew.
Come on then,
You ready?
surprise me.
You ready?
Hit me.
You ready for this thing? Here we go. The 15 of the best electric resto mods so far. And this was as of 4 days ago on the Top Gear website.
I mean, it's
So,
probably not going to have changed.
no,
It's probably still going to be there and still be the same
no
15
it'll
cars.
be the same 15 cars, which is fine. I
Uh,
mean, that's a
the,
Presto mod because it's keeping. It looks awesome,
the Eleanor. Yeah, that's good.
basically, with
A lot
yeah
of
boy.
power and a lot of torque.
Like that's proper. That's how you do a fucking Resto mod, man.
Yeah.
I hope this isn't all American based because that's shit.
Yeah, that's not so
Couldn't
much.
couldn't care about a Chevy Blazer.
That is very nice.
Mm, that
It's
is
alpha. It's
awesome.
alpha, isn't it?
Yeah,
Oh, we're
it's
reading Totem and all that. What the fuck's that? But I'm guessing
no,
that's the
it's
company
Alpha
that
Quad,
does them.
so
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
Total Automobile's first product.
yeah, that is. I think that's
So
similar sort of one to what.
518 horsepower in that little thing.
Yeah,
What
so
the heck?
that's really nice.
That's gorgeous, isn't it, man?
Yeah.
That'd be right on for 500 horsepower.
Yeah.
But that's that. I mean, look at that. If that isn't what Resto Modding's about.
It's similar to what Chris Harris had on Top Gear that
What
one
is it?
time.
Oh,
Yeah,
everyone
it
told me
didn't. It
about
wasn't
that.
that one.
Yeah,
It was the more square one, but yeah,
that's
both look nice.
cool.
It's okay.
Better than the Chevy. Oh, yes. You know I love
How
my
much?
buses.
How much power's that got?
Well,
82.
it's fucking
That's
like
not
near enough
bad.
double the first one. You better be
Yeah,
careful.
yeah.
Wouldn't know
I
what to do
know.
with that much power. I mean, it's a bit shit if you
Not
want to go
bad.
away camping like 125 miles in it. But, whatever. And it can actually get up to motorway speeds. That's like impressive for like that because
For a bus.
the old Manta. I've already seen that one. Oh, that's awful.
They're not even cars. That's just
Well, it seems
a
to be going
computer
car
generated
off road.
image.
That's fair. I love a nice Series 3. You know, my first car was going to be a Series 3 Land Rover. My dad was trying to talk me into it, but so fuck me, I don't want to pay 185 grand for a Series 3 Land Rover though.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
I mean, granted, they have done all new suspension, fair enough,
Still,
and 600 horsepower in a Series
why do
3.
you need that?
I don't know, but that really
All them,
needs like.
all them farmers that need to blast through little villages pulling fucking trailers.
I mean, I'm assuming that they've completely done all of the steering because they didn't go in a straight line. and you sort of could do that with a steering wheel before it turned. Awful things. Fucking hell. Rolls Royce Phantom.
I don't think I've actually ever seen one of them in person.
No,
I'd be interested to see how long they actually are in person.
they do look ridiculous.
It
It doesn't
looks
say
like
how much it costs, and that's probably because if you need to ask how much it costs,
you
you
haven't got
can't
enough
afford it.
money.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I
It
mean,
honestly looks like a yacht
it really does. Doesn't
and
it?
probably drives like one, I
More
imagine.
than likely. Oh, E-Type
Nice.
Jag. Oh, baby.
I actually I didn't drive one, but I were in it. My uncle rented an E-Type Jag for his 60th, and
I
they were
seem to
quite
think,
surprised at how wide the sills are. They're like that
yeah.
wide.
Oh, wow.
They're like it's
Yeah.
ridiculous. Like you open the door and you've got to step out of it like that far.
But,
It's
nice.
crazy.
Oh, so I used to love the D-Type, you know, that weird sort of thing on the back. D-Type? With like a weird hump thing. I like Jags. Always have. Oh, Mini. I
Yep.
don't know you're going to fit the batteries.
Yeah, the D type with it's got like a little fin behind the
Yeah,
driver's
yeah.
seat. Yeah.
Just goes a bit weird. Yeah, that's not bad, is it? You get 107 horsepower, which, let's face it, is in a Mini. That's going to be fun.
And it's only 8 grand.
9 grand,
Oh, 10
10
grand
grand with that.
with that. That, to be fair, you couldn't get a normal one of them for that price.
I
Oh,
mean,
you might be able to,
I suppose it is a kit, so you're going to. Yeah,
oh,
because if you got one, though, you're going to. Because I've seen them going that obviously need work for not that bad money, where it's like, that would be quite a cool project.
yeah, but you'd have to find one that is actually decent because you don't want one that's rusted everywhere.
Well, no, granted. I mean, I've seen a few which bodywork deal. You know. Hey, we've got a mate who can weld. It's fine. Harry, you're going to be welding all our fucking Restomods, mate. After you've taught me, anyway. But I think that's cool, man, and that is, I think, quite. You know,
It's
if you wanted to sink more
a
money
good
than we
price.
have into a project, and you wanted something a bit different, that's a pretty cool car.
Yeah, it is. I mean, that's pretty
Fucking,
cool,
that's sick, that is, isn't it? That is properly sick.
but you're not going to drive one in UK.
No, we're
I
fine
actually
with it.
saw a Chevy Camaro the other day near you. Maybe yesterday
Oh, very
actually.
nice.
Um, they are so big, it is unreal. Like it's
Are
just
they?
not suited for UK
No,
roads
not at
whatsoever.
all. Not at all. That's pretty cool.
That's that does look like a boat.
I
A
mean,
little, a small. It's just missing like your little outboard and motor from back, and that would be a boat.
I must admit, I do prefer the DB5 and the 4
Yeah,
to the
like every
6.
other Aston Martin,
Pretty
pretty
much it, because
much.
I really do think Aston Martins are beautiful cars. Not gonna lie, it is the weaker one for me. Oh, what's that? That is an RB. What? What's that?
Um, an MGB. But it's literally brand new because it's got a brand new plate on.
I don't understand what that is. Like,
I'm assuming it is an MGB with them. So.
maybe. Just don't quite have the look.
No, it doesn't.
I saw a quality MGB GT on Facebook Marketplace for sale, mate. It actually, the bodywork looked alright as well, um, but it was cheap.
Yeah, so
It,
that's something wrong with it.
clutch were fucked. Ain't got an issue with that. You can have the gearbox fucked. I ain't really got an issue with that stuff. You know, buy an MX-5, take it out, or Dualitech. Yeah, 2 grand, and I was
It's not
like,
bad.
you know how much I love the MGB GTs. Oh, look at that. AC Cobra with an electric
Yes.
car.
I'm pretty sure I showed this at some point recently.
Yeah, I get the feeling you might have, I think it's
But
not
yeah,
too excessive, is it, for anything for
I
an Alpha?
just love one even if it's not electric. I think they're
I,
so nice, especially after watching um, the Ford vs Ferrari thing. Don't know if you've watched that. It was the Le Mans movie,
oh, yeah,
basically.
I need to watch that. I put a thingy up recently on the FB group. Um, I think it was Steve White who's took the RS200 picture. I forgot to say who took that picture, last week, but whenever it was Thursday. He was saying that he may have to discontinue membership of the Road Hunters Facebook group if I don't watch it. So I better get it. Better get
Yeah,
it.
I
See
mean
what.
it's good. It's a really good movie. Would recommend it to anybody.
Well, that's better. I was thinking that 304, but it's got a 617 horsepower version.
I'm saying that's another
Flights.
another yacht.
Yeah, but it's a cool guy, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I'm not saying it isn't, but you wouldn't actually buy one, would you?
No. Because to be fair, I'd probably buy the Mini instead and then also buy like shit ton
Five
of
other
other
cars.
cars. Yeah. Well, I thought I was that it? Yeah, pretty cool, man. What's your
Yeah,
favourite?
I'm good. I want to say the Shelby. I really like Shelby Cobras.
I'm not gonna lie, since a kid, especially the Eleanor,
Yeah,
but
the Mustang or the Shelby, but I do like the Mini and
that's
that.
that's fucking
That
stunning.
yeah, probably that actually over the Shelby.
That I don't. What is it about a Mini?
The only thing is wrong with that Mini, it's not in British Racing Green.
Yeah, but if you got money and you've gone and done that, just fucking paint it, mate.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, like
Cool. It's cool.
British
But yeah,
Racing Green.
oh shit, it'd be a tough one actually as to what one I'd have over the other. It would probably be the Mustang or the Alpha. But I mean, no, I think that'd be silly to say no completely to the Mini. So that's the question for the week, people. What's yours? What's your favourite electric resto mod? And Harry, get practicing that welding, mate.
On that note, I think we'll end.